Let's get into these delicious Kenyan style eggs, also known as MAYAI Pasua. So obviously we're going to start by boiling our eggs, and then I'm going to start to prep this East African salad or salsa known as kachumbari. So this starts by dicing up some red onions, and then I let it sit in some warm water, which just mellows out the taste a bit. And then you're going to chop up some tomatoes, chop them up as finely as you can. Here I've got a bit of coriander, and I'm going to chop this up as well. And then if you want a bit of an extra kick, you can also add a bit of chili. I've got my bowl here, and I'm just going to start to layer all these ingredients together. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of all-purpose, mix it all together, and then you've got your kachumbari. So take out the eggs that you've just boiled, hard boiled, and peel them. And really all you've got to do is cut them in half, add in that tomato salad, and eat it like that. This is super delicious, and if you're an egg lover, you've got to try it. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.